Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Viewers. In here, you will see mostly unboxing of online products, learn different kinds of geeks, tricks, and tips in line with electronics, gaming, and other cool related ideas. Today, we're gonna open this precision knife set. I bought this for 65 pesos only. Ito siya nakikita sa mga Changge or Chinese store. So, ito na po guys. Ayan. Ito worth 65 pesos. Dati ito siya, nagwo-worth ito ng almost 100. Ayan. Medyo oil pa siya. Ayan, nakita nyo. Ganito siya, isang magnet strip. Ayan. Nag-range yung mga number. Ito 7, 7, 20, 19, 2, and ano ba ang number nitong isa? Medyo mahirap tanggalin. There. 17. Then ito 21. Okay. Ito siya guys is number 23. Yan, ito yung isang handle niya. Kung tatanggalin mo, screw mo lang tapos hilain pa ganyan then pull. So yan guys. There, kung ibalik nyo, just make it like that, then screw nyo ulit. Yan. Then the other one is ito, made up of aluminum yata ito, or alloy, hindi ko lang alam. And then ito number 2, gusto ko mag-cut. And then the last one handle, ito yung medyo maliit. And then the number nito is number 11. So it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So yan, 13 siya na blades, kaya 13 precision knife tool. Yan. Actually guys, ito pala medyo hindi ko alam kung strong to na materials, pero solid naman siya. Meron akong ganito dati, ito naputol yung dito sa loob. So that's all for now guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.